Hello again everyone, Andrew here, welcome to my channel, and I'm back today with another video on another traffic exchange site, and I'm talking about Hit2Hit.com manual traffic exchange site. Now there are two reasons mainly, actually there are three reasons why I wanted to record a video about this site, and the first one is because definitely it provides real visitors and quality traffic to your website. The second reason is because of this number here, which uh, as of now, which currently the moment we are speaking, it's more than this because this is the create a page account page. Okay, it's not updated. So there are thousands and thousands of users, more than 175 members signed up on this site, and let's say that half of them, even if half of them is not active at all, then again it would be a huge number for a traffic exchange site, which means ultimately more advertising to your website. And the third reason why I wanted to do this is because of, let's say, age of this website. Now as you can see, it's not updated yet because now we are May 2022, but they have been around since 2005, guys. Okay, it's 17 years. All right, that's establishment. Okay, that means that this site is here and it's not going anywhere, and apparently it works since it has been around for this long, for this much time. It means that it really works. It does what it's supposed to do. It drives real and quality traffic to your website, period. Now, before I log into my account, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it if you like the video or if you can leave any comments down below. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Okay, so let me just log in right away. And by the way, this is a free site to join. Okay, so it's 100% free to join and free to use. So the moment you log in, of course for you it will be a one-time offer, but this is not my first time logging in for this day, that's why I didn't have the offer. But basically this is the back office, this is the dashboard of your account. Now probably you're thinking like, oh my god, this site should definitely be updated, at least its graphics, its displays, etc. But I say that that doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter how a site looks like as long as it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so using this site is absolutely very easy to use. In the dashboard of your account, as everywhere else, you will find some general information about contest. Apparently there is currently there is a referral contest. The first um, the first place, as you can see here, wins 12 months of Coral Rose upgrade, which you can check them out right here or in the upgrade page. Some other general information, some statistics here, and that's it. This is the dashboard of your account. Now the idea is quite simple, as I've mentioned it countless times before. This is a traffic exchange site, meaning that you will visit other users' websites. In return, you will earn credits, and then you can use those credits to advertise your own sites. So this here on the left side, this is the menu for this site, and that's it. There are no other features at all. All you have to know is right here. All you can check out is right here. So this is the home page, and let me just go briefly over all these features right here. So the home page, we already covered it. Start surfing, so it's a 6-second timer, and you earn 0.5 credits for every page, and obviously you would spend 1 credit for your own advertisement. Okay, so this is the type of captcha that you have to solve. You have to choose the same symbol, okay, and these some of these are zodiac symbols, I guess, and you would jump to the next page, and the captcha area will be, it might be up here or down there, as you saw on the first page. So simple as that. Now, before time ago, it was I think a 10 seconds timer, I'm not sure, but it has been updated, obviously. So basically this is it. You just wait 6 seconds, scroll and watch the ad if you want to, if you are interested in discovering new opportunities, and or you can just jump to the next page. All right? So this is the surfing page. Now the my sites, as a free member, you can add only 5 websites, as you can see here, but I only been using recently only 4 websites. And basically what you want to do is click here, okay. Now probably you might find it a little bit difficult given the old design, the old graphic, okay, but again that doesn't matter as long as it does what it's supposed to do. Alright, so you just enter a title here, a catchy one that will attract attention, you enter the URL here, and then you just click add. Now on this side is the admin that does the checking, that validates every URL manually. Okay, so the moment you add a new site, it won't be automatic, as you might have noticed in other traffic exchange sites, but you will have to wait within 24 hours. The admin will validate your URL, and if it is valid, and it doesn't violate any terms of service, then your URL then will be active. Okay, another way to advertise obviously is banners, and the same goes here as well. And to create a banner, you just have to enter a name, a title, the banner URL, and it must be 468 by 660, something like that, and also the targeted URL. Or if you want to, you can create your own banner. There are countless sites online that you can create banners for free. Okay, another way to advertise is my text links. These are text ads, basically are ads only with text, no banner, no picture, no type of media at all. Okay, so again here, as in banners, you just have to enter the title, the targeted link, but also instead of an image URL, you will enter a text, kind of a small description, short description about what you're promoting, and always make sure to enter something, to write something catchy, something that will attract attention. So basically these are the ways that you can, these are the features that are the most important for this site. So you earn credits and then you use them to advertise. But if you don't have time to surf, you can always buy credits, or you can upgrade your account. Now I'm not going to go through buy credits. You can check them out on your free time. Let's just jump right away to upgrade account. And there are these type of upgrades. As you can see, I'm a free member, which is called Green Rose, but you can upgrade to Coral Rose, and it is $12 per month, okay, ongoing, $12 per month, or Red Rose for 1 year, $500, okay. And then you can check out all the benefits whenever you have time, or whenever you feel that you need to upgrade. Personally, I don't need to upgrade because I have time and I can surf on a daily basis almost. Okay, and then besides all of these features that are must in a traffic exchange site, also you have the downline builder here. But and there are a lot of sites, as you can see, but I haven't entered any because I'm not like promoting this site to get referral. I'm just using this site to get visitors to my links that I'm already promoting. All right, so as you can see, guys, it's quite simple, it's quite easy to navigate on and to use it. Again, don't underestimate it, or don't judge it just by its graphics. like I said, it's been around since 2005, guys. Okay, and probably back then this was the best design ever. Okay, but if you feel that you like this site and you want to promote it, here is the promotion page, and you can choose either your direct referral link, or you can choose one of these splash pages. And of course they offer also banners, square banners, or other type of banners that you can implement on your website if you already have a website. And here you can convert cash or cash out, convert cash to credits, or you can cash out whenever you have the minimum amount to cash out. Okay, or like I said, you can directly convert cash if you have into credits and then use them to advertise. All right, so uh, also also make sure to always check this contest page here, because here will be the information, the new updates for new contests, and currently no upcoming contests and non contests in progress. Okay, but just check it on a regular basis. Okay, so I think that this is it for today's video, guys. This covers everything. Now, two things you gotta keep in mind before joining a site: for how long it has been around, and this has been around for 17 years now, and how many members it has. It's always a good idea to advertise on sites with a lot of users, right? That means more advertising to your website. And of course, the third but not the least important thing, it's the traffic. Definitely the most important thing is the traffic it provides. Now, unfortunately, at this moment right now, I can't show you any results from this site because I haven't been using this for the past 3 weeks. And since I use Lead to track my account, which it records only the past 2 weeks, unfortunately, but that's more than enough. But trust me, guys, only the fact that this site has been around for 17 years, that means a lot. Okay, however, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. If you want to join it and try it for yourself, again, it is 100% free to join, then just click on the link in the description of this video. In the meantime, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!